Mango. Now, repeat after me. Mango, mango, mango. Meaning, a mango is a tropical fruit with smooth skin, sweet yellow or orange flesh, and a large central seed. It is often called the king of fruits and is widely enjoyed fresh, in desserts, or as juice. In a sentence, she cut a ripe mango into slices and served it as a refreshing summer treat. Here, mango refers to the fruit she prepared. Let's try another example. The smoothie was made with mango and banana, creating a delicious tropical flavor. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using mango. Synonyms. Some related terms for mango are tropical fruit, a category of fruits that includes mangoes, pineapples, and papayas. Stone fruit, a type of fruit with a large seed in the center, like mangoes or peaches. Antonyms. The opposite of mango would be none, as mango is a specific fruit, it doesn't have a direct opposite. Part of speech. Mango is a noun, referring to a type of tropical fruit with sweet, juicy flesh. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.